And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a quick logo banner in Adobe Illustrator. Let us start. Make sure to view that your smart guides are activated and only snap to point is. I'll swap the colors, we only need a black stroke, no fill. Let's start with the rectangle tool. And I create two rectangles. Just this. I press V for the selection tool, select them both, align them. Now make sure to open the Pathfinder menu, go to Window Pathfinder, and then click on Unite under Shape Modes. Now they're united. You can also click on this icon if you have it in the right column. Select it all, press A for the direct selection tool and drag the circles for the curvature slightly inwards in our rounded corners. The next step is press E for the free transform tool. You may find that here where the puppet warp tool is, then right click free transform or simply press E. Then use the third option, which is the perspective distort, and drag the bottom left to the right side. The other side will automatically be adjusted. Next step, select it again, use the anchor tool. You will find the center position with the smart guides, then drag it upwards. You can hold shift while you do so. You have these perfect 90-degree handles, or you can just drag it upwards, whatever you want to have. Press A for the direct selection tool, I select the top anchor points here and drag the curvatures to the maximum. Then I swap the colors and I give it a red color, or maybe a darker one. Yeah, I'll stick with that. Let me keep that. Let us use the type tool now. I'll type in logo, the random font, and I'll align that. I'll make that white and I'll shift and alt to resize it. And then I use the arrow keys to move it a little bit upwards. That's fine. Now we want to create a path to type on. Let's use the pen tool for that. I'll simply left click, hold shift, I've got a straight line, I'll deselect it. Now I've got this path over here. You see that two anchor points but no handles. You can create an easy curvature with the anchor point tool. Just go to the center position again, the smart guides help you drag it upwards. So now I've got the fill color activated and not the stroke. Let me swap that and you can see the path that we've created. And I now use the type on path tool, click on it, and you can type in some random text, whatever, since some year. I'll type in something just as an example. You've done that. Use the selection tool and drag the left side over so that you can see the text fully and reposition that. I'll change the fill color to white. It's not perfectly centered. So this center line isn't center, but I'll have to readjust it with the left side tool. And don't worry, if you don't like the curvature, you can simply click on it, use the anchor point tool again and adjust it. The type will be automatically adjusted to the new path. You can also use the arrow keys to put it a little bit downwards. And that's it. This is how you can very quickly create these logo banners in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.